So we've all been in this situation, right? When you're just chilling in bed, minding your own business, when suddenly your mom comes in, yelling like, Joshua, you need to go to college. If you don't, you'll end up homeless and die. Get up now. Well, your mom is actually right. Except for the part about being homeless and dying, it's not that serious. But anyways, here's why you should go to college. Now, let's meet Josh, a lawyer that graduated from UC Berkeley. So I'm Josh, your typical nerdy Asian boy. I attended UC Berkeley for 7 years, full of lots and lots of late night studying, a bunch of ramen noodles, and a lot of Chinese people, of course. I went to school for 7 years, 4 years for my bachelor's degree, and 3 years for law school. By the end of it, I was $350,000 in debt. Both my new job, I was making $115,000 a year, so it was worth it, I guess. Now let's meet another man, Alec. He did not go to college. So yeah, I'm Alec. I'm a gardener, make $28,000 a year, and I decided not to go to college. But just hear me out. You can't be in debt if you never go to college. Now that you've met the people, let's prove that Josh is living a better life than Alec. Josh went to college for 7 years, and by the end of it, he was $350,000 plus in debt. If you compare that to Alec, by the end of 7 years, he wouldn't be in debt at all. In fact, he would have $28,840 to spare. Wait, what the H? My annual salary is $28,000. By the end of 7 years, I should have like $1 million or something. It's cash made outside, how about that, narrator? Yeah, you would be right, Alec, if you never bought anything. You have to remember your annual expenses. These things can include your car, rent, phone, and whatever else you spend your money on. Your total annual expenses are $23,880, meaning you would only have $4,120 to spare. As for Joshua, he has $88,220 to spare, which is a lot. Though at first, it looks like Alec was having a better life. He was never in debt. But as soon as Josh starts lawyering, or whatever you call it, he is making bank. Look at this graph. Even though Alec was never in debt, just wait till after college. It only took Josh 4 years to pay off his debt. And after that, it literally took Josh 6 months to begin making more cash than Alec. Now, let's get into the boring stuff. You've probably noticed the spot where the two lines cross. This is called the point of intersection. We could find this point of intersection using the equal values method. First, you put both equations equal to each other. The college equation being y equals 88,220x minus 983,896, and the non-college equation just being a sad y equals 4,120x. Next, you subtract 4,120x from both sides. Then, you divide both sides by negative 84,100, leaving us with x equals 11.7. Afterwards, you substitute 11.7 into either of the original equations and solve. Let's just use the easy one. That leaves us with 48,204. That means at 11.7 months, both Joshua and Alec would have $48,204. This is the point of intersection. Now I probably know I'm being slept on like Big Sean's new album, so let's just finish up. In conclusion, the college pathway is better. Now. I know all of you want to be a lawnmower like Alec, but it's just not worth it. Just be a nerd like Josh and go to college, and I promise your wallet will thank you.